Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to make green chili paste today. If you have this paste ready, you can make it for every month. If you want to keep it outside, you can store it in the refrigerator for 3 months. So if you have this ready, you can your life will be a lot easier for cooking, like daily cooking. So make it and keep it ready. That's very handy for you. For this we need about half a pound of green chilies, quarter pound of ginger. What I did, the green chilies and ginger was like soaked in half an hour or so, and then dried them in a towel, and took the stalks out of the chilies, and skinned the ginger, cut into small pieces, and kept it. Then took about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of uh, salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Mix all of them and grind them. I put it in the fruit processor and grind it. It doesn't have to be a paste, fine paste. You can see the consistency when it is done. So this is a lifesaver for a lot of items like daily cooking and everything. So you don't have to rush and make the paste right then and there. It takes lot of time for you to do that. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel. I'll be posting a lot more recipes using this paste. I'll post the link again in the recipe description. If you like it, hit the like button and the subscribe button and bell icon. You will be notified about a lot of videos. Thank you.